This video shows how to set up block libraries in recent blocks so that they're accessible on the AutoCAD web app. First, we'll show how to set up libraries. Open any drawing while you're signed in to Desktop AutoCAD. Then go to the Insert tab and open the Blocks palette. Click this button next to the path name, which opens a dialog that lets you specify a new path for a block library folder. Choose the folder, or a drawing, that contains the blocks you want to use. And make sure that folder or drawing is stored within a cloud storage provider that AutoCAD supports: Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Otherwise, the library won't be available on the web app. Now to set up recent blocks. Type Options into the command line to launch the Options dialog. Go to the Files tab and look for Blocks Recent Folder Location. Specify a location that you want to use to store your recent blocks. Again, make sure that the folder is stored within a cloud storage provider that AutoCAD supports, or else your recent blocks won't be available on the web app. Now when you're in the AutoCAD web app, if you go to the Blocks panel, you'll see the recent blocks that you've used in Desktop AutoCAD, and you can access all the block libraries that you've set up in the Libraries dropdown. Now your recent blocks and block libraries are available on both AutoCAD Desktop and Web whenever you're signed in to your Autodesk account.